Struggling to find the perfect crypto entry and exit points? Meet CoinSwing, Intellectia's AI-powered tool that simplifies crypto swing trading. CoinSwing uses advanced algorithms to scan for the best long and short opportunities across the crypto market. Let's dive into the CoinSwing dashboard. It's your command center for smart swing trading. At the top, you'll see 3 key stats to track your progress: crypto win rate, percent of profitable trades, crypto return, projected yearly gains. Crypto signal today, new AI spotted opportunities. Below that, signals split into 2 easy lists: opening and closed. The opening list shows active buy signals for cryptos ready to swing up or down for shorts. For each one, check the buy-sell target where the AI flagged the entry, the customizable stop loss, and 2 staged sell targets to cash out profits gradually. You'll also see unrealized return, a long-short tag, and clear status guidance, like when to trail stops after hitting target 2 to hold winners longer. Sort by latest entry, highest potential, or oldest to match your style. Once a trade ends, it moves to the closed list. Here, review entry, exited price, and date, profit booking targets, realized return, and a status timeline of how it went. Sort by latest exit, highest gain, or oldest to spot winning patterns, boosting your confidence each trade. To get the most from CoinSwing, follow these beginner tips. First, check daily for fresh signals. They only appear when the AI finds strong setups. Second, let it simplify decisions. It cuts research time by highlighting top swings, but double-check big news that could impact the market. Remember, AI can't avoid surprises. Do your homework on external risks to stay prepared. Besides, follow staged exit guidance. Sell 30% at target 1, 30% at target 2, then trail the remaining 40% at 3% below highs to lock in wins while chasing more upside. For short trades, the same logic applies in reverse cover partials at target 1. Lower your stop to break even, and trail as prices drop to capture extended downside moves. Click the Telegram button at the bottom right to auto-link signals will sync to your Telegram. Ready to stop guessing and start swing trading with AI on your side? Try CoinSwing today.